Today I'm going to show you how to bag your first opportunity on LinkedIn. Bagging your first opportunity on LinkedIn can be testing. It will take time. That's the first thing that you need to know. It is going to take time. So what you need to do is you need to go up and you need to start searching for jobs. Okay, so go up over here, you'll see jobs, click on jobs, and here you can describe what you want. So let's just say, for example purposes, we're looking for a video editor job, and you're going to type this in, and here you can start filtering out all of what you want to see. So the date that it's been posted, so we can say the past 24 hours. We want jobs that have been posted most recently, because if they've been posted too far away, then somebody might have already been hired. So make sure that you're trying to apply for jobs that have been posted most recently. Then we have different companies over here. You know, you can type in what company you want, but what we essentially want to do is we want to make sure that we are looking through. I'm going to just do this for, there we go, for example purposes. So we've got 30 results, and what you need to do is each one of these jobs, you need to make sure that you are applying to most of them. Okay, so if you're going in and you are looking for jobs, make sure that you are applying to at least 5 jobs a day. This will allow you to get that first opportunity quickly. If you're applying to 1 job a day, if you think about it logically, and it'll take 100 jobs or 100 applications to actually get a job, it's going to take you 100 days to find that first opportunity. But if you're doing 5 a day, it's going to take you a lot less time. So make sure that you're applying to as many jobs as possible. I know some of them can be quite testing because they don't have this easy apply over here. And this means that you've got to go through quite a long process of adding in all of your details. Some jobs require you to do like video screening and that kind of thing. But it's worth it. Obviously, if you want the job, you're going to make sure that you go through all of that effort to get the job. This also shows and it separates you from the people that are not willing to put in the effort to go through the full job application. Make sure that you've read everything. Make sure that you understand everything. Make sure that all the details have been covered. Make sure that you've added in as much of your details as possible, and also going through the screening process. Not everyone is willing to do that because it's time consuming, and you might think that you're not highly eligible for the job, so you end up not putting that effort in. So jobs like that generally will have a good hire rate because there are not a lot of people actually submitting their CV or their resume to a job like that. So go ahead, make sure that you're applying to as many as possible, and when you are, make sure that you are putting all the effort in to get it.